gliding down the shoreline, bare feet chasing every wave. Salt and sunlight on your shoulders, saying, what a beautiful day. Beautiful day, but my chest feels heavy. Sunshine burning through this haze. You're shining, laughing, I'm just grateful for a lovely hurt that stays on this island by the ocean, where the breeze still knows your name. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. And I'm crying in the shade. We were joking in the moonlight, turning secrets into songs. We said, promise you'll remember, even when we both move on. I still hear us singing over slow and silver tides, laughter in the distance, then the silence when you cried. If I ever meet you someday on this same old stretch of beach, I'll just whisper, I'm still grateful for the joy we couldn't keep. Beautiful day, but my chest feels heavy. Sunshine burning through this haze. You're shining, laughing, I'm just grateful for a lovely hurt that stays on this island by the ocean, where the breeze still knows your name. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day.